All right, so everyone's been waiting for the test, the taste test. There's definitely pressure. Something happened in here. Definitely fermented. Let's try this. Okay, I'm kind of worried. Didn't really have that. Oh, okay. Definitely. I'm gonna shake it out first. It has a funky smell to it. Let's shake it out once. One thing I gotta do next time is definitely rinse it off really well. And take a little sip off the top. No. Nope. All right. Now, that does, no. 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 Nope. It doesn't taste like Sprite at all. No, I don't know what to say. It tastes really sweet. It's not that, I don't know, just it's a weird taste. It doesn't taste like Sprite at all to me. Maybe I did something wrong, but you see I have a bunch of pine noodles in there. Put a tons of sugar in there. Maybe if I don't know. Yeah, it's not for me. Would I make it again? No. It doesn't taste like Sprite at all to me. Either I messed the thing up or... Yeah, nope. 2 thumbs down. Never doing that again. Try it if you will. Do what you want. Not for me.